What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the left front axle on your Civic. This works from the 96 to 2000. The first steps, I already put my car in jack stands, put the e-brake on, and put something in the back tire, chock. First I'm going to be removing this 32 millimeter socket, or not, and to take the tire rod off. This is 17 millimeter. And what I'm going to do here is use this same nut and then that should come loose. Next, I'm going to remove the forks right here, and those are 17. Yep, that's 17. Break that loose, and if it spins, just grab a ratchet from the other side and hold it with the 17 millimeter. Now that I got this fork loose, I'm going to go up here and remove this nut off from the upper control arm, and that again that's a 17 millimeter. Oops. And then you guys could hit right here with a hammer and that should come loose, or I use the nut, snug the nut with the bolt, this bolt, and then just set it up and off the go. Now that I got that loose, I should be able to push the axle back. Okay, now that that's off, I'm gonna go down there, use a pry bar. But before you do that, have something to catch the oil that might leak out the transmission. So there should be a lip on your axle. Just try to get your pry bar between the lip and the transmission. Okay, there we go. It should be pretty easy, and if it's not, try to use a hammer and bang it a few times and it should come out loose, but it shouldn't be too hard. No, you could just... Okay. And this should be, this is my old axle now. And I got my new axle here. Here. Before I put it on, I'm just gonna measure it and make sure it's the same length. And they do look about the same. Pretty sure they are. Yeah. Anyhow, now we're gonna put everything back in. This is the reverse. So now, if you can kind of see, you can see your transmission right here. And I'll just be sliding in, and there should be like a click. That C clamp should click. Now be careful not to rip your boots while doing this. No, I'm not sure if you guys heard that, but there's a... You just installed it. You have to make sure it's flush. So just go back and forth a few times. You should hear a click and your axle should be in. Now what I'm gonna do next is put my axle into the splines. It might be a little bit tricky now. So I bent it up, pulled this down, and then I just have to work it in a bit. Make sure the splines line up. Once half of it goes in, I push up and push the axle in, and I push this up at the same time. And the axle should go all the way in. And I just put my nut back in, so it doesn't back out. Put the nut in. I'm gonna put the fork back in. So I'm just gonna have to lift a little bit. girls. I'm not sure the exact torque specs, but it is what it is. Now that's in. Now here goes my tie rod. I mean, here goes my tie rod. Yep, 17mm. Don't forget that. And then I'm going to pull my upper control on. And that's a 17mm again. And I put torque specs up on the screen. Now, here's my caliper. It's already compressed. Put the top one on, then the bottom. I'll tighten those up a bit, and I'll put the torque specs on the screen. Then don't forget your 10mm for your brackets. One time, 2 times. Come on, 10. Anyhow. Then I believe that's 100 and something torque spec. I'll put that up on the screen. I'll snug it up first. Alright, well that's it guys. It's a pretty easy job, pretty straightforward. I'll catch you guys back in the next video. Thanks for watching.